If you're looking for the best Dyson cordless vacuum for your home, this video is for you. We're going to compare the most popular models, from the V12 to the V15 all the way to the latest Gen5detect, to see which one offers the best balance between power, battery life, and ease of use. And trust me, the differences are bigger than you might think. Stay tuned until the end to find out which one is truly worth it based on your needs and your budget. Number 3. Dyson V12detect Slim Plus. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner that stands out for its dirt detection system, which automatically adjusts suction power depending on the surface and the type of dust, ensuring maximum efficiency while optimizing battery life. On carpets, even long hair or embedded dirt is removed without tangling around the brush. The vacuum glides easily and allows precise control thanks to its maneuverability and lightweight design. In automatic mode, it displays in real time the size and quantity of particles collected, letting you know exactly when the floor is clean. The battery offers 22 minutes of autonomy in standard mode, 32 minutes in eco mode, and only 6 minutes in boost mode, which is still enough for small areas or to finish cleaning a specific spot. It is also equipped with a display that categorizes particles: yellow for small debris, orange for microscopic dust, pink for dust mites, and purple for larger particles like sugar. On hard floors, the vacuum shows its full precision. It moves effortlessly around furniture and along walls. The green light sensor remains effective even under bright lighting, allowing you to see particles invisible to the naked eye. This model includes a compact dustbin that is easy to empty with a single button, as well as a simple filter that can be removed and cleaned easily. The accessories include a tool for corners and narrow spaces, enhancing its versatility. Although it is designed mainly for hard floors, it adapts well to carpets, though an extra pass may be needed for deeply embedded hair. With a selling price of around $540, it's a significant investment for a cordless vacuum, but it justifies its cost through its build quality, detection technology, and ease of handling. Lightweight and practical, it offers precise and targeted cleaning, ideal for households looking for both performance and innovation in a compact device. In summary, it combines power, precision, and advanced technology to deliver efficient cleaning on all types of floors. Its particle detection system, exceptional maneuverability, and adjustable battery life make it a high-performing tool for demanding home use. Number 2. Dyson V15. The Dyson V15 is the flagship of Dyson's cordless vacuums, a direct evolution of the V11, but with several remarkable innovations. It's a model that combines power, intelligence, and precision while maintaining a compact and easy-to-handle design. In terms of performance, the V15 offers greater suction power than the V11 outsize, while keeping the more practical size of the standard V11. Tests show that it is simply the most powerful cordless vacuum ever created by the brand. On both carpets and hard floors, it delivers impressive results, including a perfect 100% score in deep cleaning tests. For hard floors, Dyson reintroduces the famous fluffy brush, redesigned for smoother movement and better maneuverability. It excels at picking up debris, even larger ones, while providing exceptional fine dust removal. And this is where one of the most striking new features comes in: an integrated green laser that highlights dust particles invisible to the naked eye. This detail completely transforms the cleaning experience, especially in dark areas or under furniture, even though this feature is also available on the V12 Slim we just mentioned. It also stands out for its intelligent technology. In auto mode, it automatically adjusts suction power according to the type of floor and the amount of dirt detected, thanks to a piezo sensor. This sensor analyzes the quantity and size of particles collected, adjusting the power in real time for optimal efficiency and better battery management. Battery life remains among the best on the market, and the removable battery allows for long cleaning sessions without interruption. The LCD screen displays the battery level, the selected mode, and even the particles being collected, a signature high-tech touch from Dyson. As for accessories, the brand includes a complete set featuring a new anti-tangle motorized tool that efficiently removes hair and pet fur thanks to its spiral brush and polycarbonate teeth. This design reduces maintenance while improving performance. In summary, the Dyson V15detect is more than just a vacuum cleaner. It's a true showcase of technology. Powerful, intelligent, and incredibly precise, it surpasses its predecessors on almost every level. Its price is high, yes, but it fully justifies every dollar through its quality, durability, and everyday efficiency. Number 1. Dyson Gen5detect. In first place, we have Dyson's new high-end cordless vacuum, designed as the direct evolution of the V15, V12, V11, and even the V10. At first glance, the Gen5detect stands out for its impressive suction power of 262 air watts, compared to 230 air watts on the V15 and 150 on the V12. This power is made possible by a hyperdymium motor capable of reaching 125,000 revolutions per minute, supported by 14 cyclones, just like the V15 and V11. However, this increase in power comes with a downside: extra weight. At 7.65 pounds, it is noticeably heavier than the V15, which weighs around 6.8 pounds. You can feel the difference in hand, especially during longer cleaning sessions. This vacuum also introduces a new fixed power button, a first for the brand, replacing the traditional trigger. It's more convenient for some, but less ergonomic for others, especially if you prefer to turn the vacuum on or off with one hand. Another new feature is its next-generation HEPA filter, designed to capture 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, including certain viruses, according to Dyson. In practice, the difference compared to the V15 or V12 filters is minimal, as those models already offered 0.3 micron filtration. Regarding the display, it keeps the particle count screen, but with a different layout. The bars now move from left to right instead of up and down. A gimmick for some and useful for others, it remains mainly a real-time performance indicator. One of the most practical improvements is the integration of a combined brush and crevice tool directly into the main wand. No more searching for where to store your accessories. However, this innovation slightly increases the handle's weight. The 0.77-liter dustbin remains identical to the V15's, and while the emptying system is clean and efficient, it could still be simplified, especially for users who vacuum a lot of hair. As for battery life, Dyson claims about 10 minutes more than the V15 in Eco mode, reaching up to 70 minutes. But Boost mode significantly reduces this time to around 8 to 10 minutes. In real-world tests, it performs excellently on all floor types: wood, tile, and carpet. Its green laser clearly highlights invisible dust and remains one of Dyson's most impressive features. In Boost mode, it removes almost all debris, hair, and particles in a single pass. However, despite its power and refined design, results show performance levels very similar to those of the V15 and even the V12detect Slim. The real differences lie in comfort, weight, and price. Priced at nearly $1,000, the Dyson Gen5detect is about $200 more expensive than the V15 and nearly $400 more than the V12. This price is justified by a few exclusive features, but not by a major technological leap. In conclusion, the Dyson Gen5detect is arguably the most powerful and sophisticated cordless vacuum the brand has ever made. However, its extra weight and high price make it a model mainly aimed at those who want the absolute best with no compromises. For most users, a Dyson V15 or V12 Detect Slim will provide an almost identical experience for a much lower cost. That's it. This was our comparison of the best Dyson cordless vacuums. Now you know which models stand out for their power, battery life, and ease of use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming comparisons. And if you want to check out the links to all the models featured in this video, you'll find them in the description below.